Hi, my YouTube channel got hacked. This is the story of what happened and what I did to get it back so quickly. It all started on a Sunday morning. I go to church every Sunday morning because my mom is very religious, and so we gotta get there pretty early to get our church buffs, you know what I mean? So I get to church and my phone starts getting a bunch of Discord notifications, but the mass was about to start, and they literally say, please turn off your electronic devices, blah 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 blah, and so I do. After mass, I get back to the car and check my notifications, and there's literally 10 people telling me that my account got hacked, and I start panicking. I am patiently waiting for my mom to finish talking with her fellow parishioners, which is a fancy word for people who attend mass, and you cannot believe how long those 10 minutes felt. Then we also had to get groceries, and finally I get back to my computer. I'm not panicking too much since I remember I had a bunch of security stuff set up, like two-factor authentications and such, so I tried my phone recovery to send the prompt to my phone and I get nothing. I wait a few minutes and I literally see the message. I pressed no, so the prompt canceled. And I didn't press no, so that means that the person actually changed their phone recovery to their phone, and now they know I'm trying to recover the account. I'm thinking to myself, no big deal though, because I remember I saved a bunch of backup codes on my computer. I start trying them one by one and I start panicking when I start reaching the last few, and lo and behold, all 10 given backup codes do not work, which probably means they reset them or something. The last option I was given was to send a recovery code to my recovery email. Alright, simple enough. Except they changed the recovery email to the email that I cannot access anymore. This is when the feeling of dread starts setting in and the possibility that my account is gone forever. Thankfully, a few people told me to try and contact Team YouTube or YouTube creators on Twitter, and so I did. After a little over 10 minutes, I actually received a DM from them asking me a few questions. It was pretty standard stuff like, are you logged into the account from another device, and such. I replied with no, and they asked me to provide another email to use for contact and sent me a link to their support page to fill out a form. I was able to get connected with a YouTube agent on their live messaging service, which I had no idea was a thing. I happened to get in touch with a lovely person named Maylene, who was extremely patient to all of my panic messages that I was constantly sending, and she then proceeded to stay on the line with me for a whopping 30 minutes as she guided me through each and every question according to the form. 5 out of 5 stars, Maylene. Thank you so much. I sent in the form at about 4 p.m. on the same day, and then at around 11 p.m. on the same night, I received an email from Google confirming my account was compromised. They then sent me a link to a page that provided me with a new recovery code, and I was able to access my YouTube and email again. Then I started to delete all of the sus videos that were uploaded, and thankfully, everything still seems to be intact. I do have a community guideline warning though, due to the sus videos, but I'm trying to get that appealed since it was not my fault. I'm sure it will get resolved soon, but update, it was removed. Yeah guys. Lesson learned. Please make sure you update your online security often and stay safe. So that's why I partnered up with ExitLag. Yes guys, this is a sponsored video. With ExitLag, you can set yourself to a different VPN to not only keep yourself anonymous on the internet, but also lower your ping and stabilize your connection to the game servers. Please check out the link below to get 30% off. Damn. Okay, well, I guess I gotta do that face reveal now.